Hello kids! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Junior Joy TV. I am your teacher, Emma. Today, we will learn about wild animals. We can see these animals in forest, zoo, and circus. So, let's start. Tiger. Tiger. Lion. Lion. Elephant. Elephant. Fox. Fox. Giraffe. Giraffe. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Zebra. Zebra. Monkey. Monkey. Bear. Bear. Wolf. Wolf. Bear. Bear. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Gorilla. Gorilla. Leopard. Leopard. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you in next video.